So today I'm going to talk about and show you how to set up YouTube discovery ads. Video marketing, as you may know, is the hottest thing right now in pretty much any kind of marketing and advertising. You will hear this notion everywhere that you've got to use video in your marketing mix. I've created my channel and using YouTube as at the core of my marketing mix. We're putting out our brand message, raising brand awareness on this channel and all over the internet, and it has been working pretty well. There are two ways we can grow our YouTube channel or raise our awareness or drive traffic to the website. One is using paid ads, and the other one is organic views. So what's the difference between the two? So let's say you are brand new to YouTube. You've got zero viewers and zero subscribers and views, and nothing much happening on your channel because you have not updated any videos on your channel. So how to get started and grow your channel? That is the most difficult part for every YouTuber, because there are thousands and thousands of videos which are being uploaded every day on YouTube. So how do you stand out from all this noise on YouTube? First of all, you need to pick up your niche. It's very important. Don't do a bit of this, a bit of that, and sometimes something else. Pick up one topic or one niche. So what I did for my channel is I picked up Google Ads. And as you can see, I've got a fair bit of content, literally hundreds of videos on this channel right now. And I continue to put up what I would like to think good quality, high quality content. The second bit is that the quality of your content has to be really, really good. Do not half-heartedly give away content. Give out your best content, and don't think that if I give away everything, nobody's going to come back to me. It will be the complete opposite. I can promise you that. Because let's say you're trying to sell a course. If you put out all your best bit in YouTube, then you might think that people may not buy your course. In fact, more are going to buy your course, because when somebody thinks that this guy is giving me so much for free, imagine what he's going to give me if I pay him. And that's what happens to us. And in fact, we get more clients. I've got courses as well, but we get more clients for us running and managing the campaigns, because what they see on our channel is they know that we know our stuff and they're in good hands. So YouTube ads is one way and the organic is the other, right? Organic will take time. It will build up, just like going to the gym. You need to build up your muscles, stamina, your strength, and then be able to fight other channels for those rankings. So the rankings are kind of like a boxing match. When I see somebody else's videos above my video, I want to knock them down and get mine on top. And when they see your video above theirs, they will want to do the same thing. It's pretty much an ongoing boxing match. The strongest and the fittest will stay at the top. So you need to keep doing this, not just rank one video and think that, okay, I've got my ranking and I'm going to stay there. Absolutely not. There will always be somebody trying to knock you down. It's just like any sportsman. When you become the world number one, the whole world is after you and wants to knock you down or beat you, because you are the best player in the world or the best team. And that's how it goes. So to reach the number one spot may not be the hardest, but to stay number one is the most difficult and the toughest thing. And this is where what separates the men from the boys. You know, you don't want to be a one-hit wonder where you got your views on a single video and then the rest is nothing is happening. So you got to be consistent, you got to be patient, and don't give up too quickly. And as you can see on my screen, this is a very nice saying, progress, not perfection. And don't try to be a perfectionist. If you see some of my old videos, they were far from perfect. In fact, this may not be the perfect video, but I'm not producing a Hollywood blockbuster. I'm trying to put out content which I would like to say people appreciate and they learn from it and it helps them. And that is the thing. You've got to have a solution to somebody's problem and help them. And the more you help, the more you're going to get back in return. And this is what I try to do, to help out as many people as I can through my videos. And hopefully you see me as the go-to expert for Google Ads. So the organic way is one, which is the long-term plan. What about the short term? What about you want instant traffic to your website, or you want to put out a very specific message very quickly because you may have stumbled upon something new or something brand new has come out and you want to get as many eyeballs on your videos as possible. And that way is through video ads.